What's going on, friendo?
It's going okay, Dave. Going okay.
Last time I talked to you, you were all up and chipper about the new spring weather and all that. Now you're saying you're just okay?
Well, Dave, actually, even though I have a house here, which you built for me, which I really appreciate.
It's pretty good, right?
Yeah, thanks, Dave. But you know, Dave, living in this house with this chair and this nice cabinet, it's nice and all, but I get kind of lonely. And you only show up at random times.
I come when I can, friendo. That's what I always say. I come when I can.
I know, Dave, but maybe I need a friend. You know, someone I can spend time with and talk with. My name is Friendo, after all. And what is a friendo if not someone who has friends?
Let me think about it. You don't have any friends, but you want a friend. This is quite a problem.
Who am I, by the way, Dave? Where did I come from?
Don't worry about that, friendo. We'll talk about that on another occasion. I got it. All you need to do is wait for a friend to appear.
Oh, gosh. Oh, I don't feel so good.
How you doing, man? Who are you?
Oh.
Dave, I don't think he's okay. What should I do, Dave?
Well, Aristotle would say that when you have a friend and it's based on true good feelings, not just about utility or pleasure, but about a recognition of virtue, then that's the true kind of friendship. In the Nicomachean ethics, Aristotle outlines 3 forms of friendship. The first based on utility, the second based on pleasure, and the third based on virtue. Only the third, that based on virtue, is the true highest form of friendship. But many of our friendships are based on utility, which is just, you have partnerships and arrangements, and your colleagues, you might call these your associates. You have utility in one another. You get something out of being with the other person. Then there's Aristotle's second kind of friendship, which is friendship based on pleasure. You can think about this like you get pleasure from being around another person, like it's fun. You can think about this in terms of maybe team sports or of playing a game or of sharing a hobby or an interest like gardening or board gaming or what do people do? Croquet. Those are shared pleasurable pursuits. There's also a number of other pleasures that you can imagine that I'm not going to mention right now, but you can picture them in your mind, pleasures that you can get out of being around another person. For Aristotle, the first and second forms of friendship are more fleeting. They're based on transactions, situations, and contexts. For Aristotle, the only true enduring type of friendship is the third kind, and that's a friendship based on virtue. In this type of friendship, one can recognize the best form of the other person in the other person. One sees oneself through the eyes of this other, and one is recognized and can be what one is in the best form of oneself. And for Aristotle, true good friends are ones who bring out the best in you, and they help you become more virtuous, and your friendship with them helps them become more virtuous. So it's like you've heard of a vicious circle? For Aristotle, friendship and true friendship is really a virtuous circle.
How does that help me here, Dave?
Well, look at this guy. Do you feel virtuous? Does he see you as virtuous? He's feeling better.
Oh, man, that was a weird one. Where am I?
Hey, dude, what's your name?
Blippo!
What were you doing, Blippo?
I'm trying to get home.
Where were you coming from?
There was a party over by the tree.
Okay, Blippo, just chill yourself. Is this your car?
No.
Okay. Hey, friendo.
Damn it! Oh, shit. Oh.
Oh, now you're both getting involved. I don't see you getting any utility out of being around one another. You're not helping each other. Friendo couldn't help Blippo stand up. Blippo doesn't seem to be interested in helping Friendo. In fact, Blippo crashed into Friendo's chair. And there also doesn't seem to be any pleasure.
Oh, God, I'm standing up again. Yeah, well now. All right, well, thanks for letting me stop by. I'm out of here. Ha! I gotta go to the next place.
Hey, what are you doing to me, Blippo?
What? What's that? Where's that voice coming from?
Blippo doesn't even seem to recognize that you're there, Friendo. I don't think he's being a very good friend. Maybe you need to not take this first friend that came around and look and wait out for a second better friend.
Bye!
Blippo. Hey, one last thing before you go. Can we be friends?
See you later! See you later!
Well, Friendo, how do you feel now? You might have just made your first friend. Most friends do wait a while before running you over. But what's important, Friendo, is to ask yourself, is your friendship with Blippo based on utility, pleasure, or virtue? What do you think? Congratulations, Friendo. You just made your first friend. Your apartment's looking great, by the way. Did you decorate it? Where do those bones come from, Friendo? Don't forget your hat.